How to move a file in Python. How would I do the equivalent of nv src/dest/ in Python?
os.rename, os.replace, or shuttle.move. All employ the same syntax. Note that you must include the file name, file.foo, in both the source and destination arguments. If it is changed, the file will be renamed as well as moved. Note also that in the first two cases the directory in which the new file is being created must already exist. On Windows, a file with that name must not exist or an exception will be raised, but os.replace will silently replace a file even in that occurrence. As has been noted in comments on other answers, shuttle.move simply calls os.rename in most cases. However, if the destination is on a different disk than the source, it will instead copy and then delete the source file.
Although os.rename and shuttle.move will both rename files, the command that is closest to the Unix env command is shuttle.move. The difference is that os.rename doesn't work if the source and destination are on different disks, while shuttle.move is files disk agnostic.
After Python 3.4, you can also use pathlib's class path to move file. This URL.
For either the os.rename or shuttle.move you will need to import the module. No character is necessary to get all the files moved. We have a folder at /ops/awesome called source with one file named awesome.txt. We use os.listitor to see that the folder name in fact changed. Here's the shuttle moving the destination back to source. This time I checked inside the source folder to be sure the awesome.txt file I created exists. It is there, smile. Now we have moved a folder and its files from a source to a destination and back again.